Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I got a video here that's actually an inspiration from another YouTuber that was doing a similar video where they were trying to actually make their own version of these flush cuts. Now I did a video on these Sunodas not too long ago, and actually excellent flush cutters. They have a great profile, great radius, and they are very slim. And the point of a flush cut is it's for multiple pieces of materials, but in the case of zip ties, which is very common for most people, it's very easy to see how effective flush cuts are. See that? There's absolutely nothing protruding and nothing to scratch your hand. Now on the flip side, if you have yourself a set of regular dikes like these, you'll notice that there's actually another grind built into that blade, as you see right there. What that does is that pulls the cutting area away from the material you're trying to cut from. So as you cut, you'll notice it actually protrudes, and you can get caught on that. And so the same goes for circuit boards, or if you're a hobbyist working with little plastic toys, or what have you. Flush cutters are very important, and a good set is hard to come by. And so I would say something like Sunoda, which is incredibly affordable, you know, 20-30 bucks on average for these bad boys, and there's small ones you get for even less. The best route. But let's say you're on a budget and you don't want to pay for another set, and you have another set like these sitting around. You want to make your own version. Well, you can, and we're going to show you how. What you need is a grinder. If you already have a grinder, and in this case a flap disc, I prefer a flap disc in this case, or some sort of similar disc where it's going to be sanding it down. You don't want to create too much heat, and you don't want to grind it in any sort of awkward way. You want to remove the material in a nice uniform manner, and the best way to do that really is with the flap disc. So you could pick your grit. You could go super heavy with the grit, or you could go finer. This one's kind of in between. We'll give it a shot, and it's going to allow us to get this down to a smooth surface and bring it down to where that grind ends, and we're going to stop to where that point is, so we have a nice flush cut profile. So let's go ahead and do that right now. You guys can see how it turns out. And of course, always wear your safety glasses, because you do not want any metal particulates going into your face. Safety first. You'll also notice that I'll have a little bit of water here. The key to grinding on metal that is already tempered is you don't want it to lose its temper, its hardness. And so you want to make sure that you're constantly dipping this in here to cool it down so it's not getting too hot. If it glows red, you've gone way too far, you've lost temper. Or even getting close to that, you can still lose temper. Or you could get a wet rag too, like this one, and just wipe it in there as you're going to help cool it down. But we'll give this a shot, see if we get that ground down. Now you may notice we are getting fairly close now to the grind. So it's getting pretty, oh, you guys see there. It's getting pretty close. So we'll get close there, and then when I get done, I'm going to go ahead and just slowly give it a nice bevel to each side. That way as you place it down, you have a little bit of space to rock it to get it right on top of whatever it is you're cutting, especially if it's a circuit board. We're close, guys. All right, almost there. Okay, getting really, really close now. We'll give it a little another pass or two, and we'll be right on it. All right, I think that's good enough for now. What I'm going to do is just give it the nice bevel, give it a slight profile, and we'll see how it does. Alright guys, here's the finished product, at least good enough for what I wanted to get out of this video. Now, is this the perfect example? I mean, it wasn't the most expensive set of side cutters that I had, but at least you get the idea. Looks like there wasn't even really enough material at the tip here. But the idea is to be able to clip here in the middle. So we'll go ahead, open up in here, let you guys see it. See, there's only one edge now. And we'll take the zip tie and give it a nice little clip. As you guys can see, that's flush. That no longer sticks up or protrudes. That's really good. Did a really good job. So there you go, guys. If you want to create your own little cheap do-it-yourself version of some side cutters, then, I mean, this is a dollar store version I've had for a while, and I wasn't using them, so why not repurpose them? Take a flat disc grinder to it, and put a little bit of a profile to it. You have yourself a set of flush cut pliers. Alright guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Was this a good idea? Was it a bad idea? I mean, ultimately, you should buy the right tool for the job, but I realize if you're in the field, or just say you're on a tight budget, something like this can save you time, save you money, and get you out of a pinch real quick. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave your comments down below. And if you haven't done already, please like and subscribe so you get more videos just like this. See you guys.